Everyone, today I thought I'd do a video on Excel and how to randomize a list. It's a question I often get asked. I have a list of records and I want it to be put into random order. How can I do that in Excel? And it's actually quite simple. So let me take you to my screen here on Excel, and I have a list of randomly generated 10-digit numbers here, and perhaps I don't like the order it's in and I want to put it into a random order. There's actually a function in Excel you can use to do that. So you're going to hit equals, RAND, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then enter. And it's going to generate a random number between 0 and 1. So I have a list of 1,000 records here. Double click here. And now I have randomly generated numbers next to my list here. All you got to do is sort your list data, sort your list by the random number you generated, and now boom, it's randomly sorted every single number in the list right here. And that's really all there is to it.